and bought some Cobra exhaust pipes, just slip-ons. So I'm going to install those. Let's see, we'll put that right there. Instructions. These are the Cobra neighbor haters. Alright, so first off I need to get something to lay on the workbench so I can lay these pipes out. So I just have a soft rag. They come wrapped in bubble tape with a blue cap in the end. So that's it. The only branding they have on it, if you can see that, it's just subdued. No chrome placard or anything like that. So since I have the right pipe already unboxed, I think I will start on the right side. This is the before. These are the factory exhaust pipes. Alright, we're going to start with the right side. What you need to do is undo the saddlebags. You have the two locking mechanisms, and then the saddlebag will come off. But you have to hold it so that they don't fall. Alright, now there is a big bolt, if you can see that. This one right here. That holds the pipe onto the header, and you have this heat shield that has two screws, if you can see that one. There's two of them that hold that on, so we're going to loosen those. It takes a 5/16 or a flathead screwdriver. Now you probably don't have to take this off, but I don't want to scratch it around here where I'm going to be working on this. So it's coming off. Alright, so again, that was a 5/16. I'll just leave that out. Alright, to get this bolt loosened under here, you need a 5/8 inch wrench socket and a deep socket because the bolt is kind of long. And now we need a socket to get these bolts off. There's two of them. That you're going to reuse all the same hardware. Let's see. Is it a 1/2 inch? 1/2 inch. The only thing holding it on now is the neck of the exhaust. So let's see how easy it comes out. It's new, so it shouldn't be too bad. There it comes. All right. Make sure you keep the ring, of course. All right, so this is the new Cobra exhaust, Cobra Neighbor Hater. 4-inch pipe that leads to a 4.5-inch bell on the end. Make sure you're using the same ring with the bolt facing down. And then let's see how easy it is to get back on. Just give it some twists. Some back and forths. All right. Then once you get the exhaust on, then replace the bolts the opposite direction in which you took them off. I'm just loosely tightening them because I will take the torque wrench to the factory specs once I find out what that is. All right, same thing. Want to take this side off. Doing the exact same thing, loosening these two mounting screws. And you want to hold on to your saddlebags because they will fall if you don't have a good grasp on them. And then set this aside nicely on a towel. Now again, you don't have to take off the heat shield to get to the bolts, but to prevent any kind of scratching, that's what I'm going to do. I'll set this over here. Okay, so this side is not 5/8. This side is 9/16. Another thing you'll note is that the pipe on the left side is much skinnier. It's like a 2-inch pipe, where the other side is a 3-inch pipe. Just push that off to the side. Get these two here. And again, you want to be careful. You want to hold the back of the pipe just in case it comes down. So loosen it up enough and then back them out with your fingers the rest of the way. And there's that. Alright, now working in the reverse order, you want to slide the pipe on, but this one slides right in, no problem. But let's secure the back of it first. You want to just make sure that these are somewhat snug before getting the actual torque specs. Make sure you use the 9/16 to tighten this one. You want to line the clamp up with just the edge of the exhaust. Alright, the torque specs are 45 to 60 foot-pounds. So I've got it right at 50. Alright, now I'm going to put the heat shields back on.